Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Jewlybox. This is a monthly jewelry subscription that's curated based upon your style and your preference. So this is the 3-piece box, I believe. It has a 110 plus retail value for $29. They do also have a 5-piece that has a $165 value for $39. I do have a coupon code for $15 off your first box. It's Not a Tree 15. I will put that down below just so you guys have it in case you forget. I do look at the box. They have a box this month, like a full box. How pretty these things. I love it. I love it so much. All right, thank you for supporting Dress for Success. A portion of the proceeds does go to this organization that helps women be prepared for interviews with clothing and things like that. You can win your next box free by using hashtag Jewlybox, Jewly code. What's my problem? And then here it is. How gorgeous is their box? I just love it. I think it's beauteous. All right, let's go here and see what's in here. Hello, gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I think it's so freaking pretty. And then it says, you've got bling. Welcome to your May Jewlybox. I'm so excited to style you this month with some fun new pieces we just added to our collections. The perfect outfit is only complete with statement jewelry. So this month we've styled you with some fun pieces while maintaining your style preferences. By the way, I told them I'm very simple, but I do like a pop of fun with my wardrobe because my wardrobe tends to be very simple because I have kids. And then everything is like, look, oh, it's cute. And you have these pretty pouches. So our first item feels like a necklace. Oh no, it's a bar. Oh, it's a bar neck. Oh, it's like someone have to untangle that. It says hope though. It's a little tangled. I have to untangle it. I make my husband do that because I'm terrible. I get nervous. All right, there it is. I'm sorry, I was staining a piece of furniture today. So there it is, hope. Ooh, makes me nervous. All right, next we have, I'm also going to link to them with my affiliate link down below, also link to my full review. Ooh, do you not love this? Oh, I love this. Look, ta-da. It looks like the backs of spoons. It's very cool, geometrical, like spinny. I don't know the word for that. My daughter's putting things under the door for the cat. Where's my husband? He's supposed to be watching them. All right. And finally, we have, what is it? I love rings, by the way. I told them that's my favorite kind of jewelry. Send me rings. Send rings. This is, ooh, it's different. Bracelet. We have a guest. Different gold. Hold on, I'll be right out. Different bracelets, like a set, like 3. So there's this beaded one right here. Then this multi-gold beaded. And then, there's my husband. And then a hand. And they're all done with string. They're beautiful. I'll link to them, my full review below, and also to Jewlybox. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.